With this tool and a little bit of help from AI, you're able to create a newsletter. So local newsletter, it's absolutely full of events. And if you see this one here, you can have this done in less than 2 minutes. You then can just copy it and put it into whatever tool you want to use to send your local newsletters. So whether you've got a local newsletter already or think of starting one, then you can use this tool. All of this was written by AI. You can put it in something like CopyQuill. CopyQuill is our tool. We use it to send local newsletters, or you can put it into Beehive. It's another option. Again, this is what it looks like. And you can send out your local newsletter. Now, what I want to show you is how customizable this is, because AI will write the subject line, it will write the information, it will do all of the research and set out the events for you, and it will write this little sign off as well. But what you can do is you can come here into settings. If I click here, and what we're able to do is edit our initial prompt. So we're going to go over to newsletter, and this is what we can change. So it says organize events by date with each day as a section header, use emojis for categories. If you have a business and you want to get in front of a local audience every single week, then you can get local people onto a local newsletter and have your business at the top. And you can tell the AI here to put information about your business at the very beginning before it does the events. You can also sign off in a particular way. So that last sentence can always be a certain type of sign off, however you want to do it. Maybe reminders, maybe you have a slogan, you can include your name. So the beginning and the end of the newsletter will always be the same, but you can also tell it how you want to format the actual layout of the events. So once you've done that, all you have to do is hit Save Preferences, and it's going to go ahead and do that. It's going to remember things like your name is Troy or Kate. It's going to remember what your business is. It's going to remember to promote your business in the first paragraph. Is that what you want to do, or mention it? You can put all of that into these default settings, and then it's going to personalize the newsletter for you. So when you go into the newsletter, okay, and you generate the newsletter, so this is me going in and actually starting to generate a newsletter, then it would scrape the events. There were 6 events going on today in Turlock, California, and then I can edit the formatting here as well. So you can see this is exactly the same that I had in the previous box. So you can have sort of a scaffold or skeleton that you put in that first box that I just showed you. And then if you want to tweak anything, you can put it in here. For example, if you're a real estate agent, or you're getting a real estate agent to sponsor your newsletter, you might have part in here that's always the same, and then it will always say like how many open houses you did this week, for example. And then you would just write, I did 3 open houses, and then it would include that every time. So you can have a scaffold, and then you just tweak that scaffold. And then you end up, like I said, with a full newsletter with exactly how you want it to sign off, with your name and everything, exactly how you want to be introduced. You can see I've just been typing all this text here just to show that this is fully editable. And that's it. 5-minute newsletter done. And you can spend the rest of your time focused on growth, knowing that this is going out week after week. And at the beginning of every single newsletter, people are either seeing your business, if you're a business owner, in the local area, or they're seeing advertisers and sponsors that you've got to put into your newsletter every single week. I'll see you in the next one.